In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can view the calendar for any month of any year. So to get started, we're going to need to import the calendar module. So import calendar, and then we're going to have to define a function because functions are reusable blocks of code and you can just call it anytime you want. So we're going to create a function called calendar viewer. And within the function, we're going to have two variables. One is the year, and you guessed it, the other one is the month. So we're going to be asking for the input for each one to enter the year and to enter the month. And then after that, we're going to be printing print calendar and then dot month. So we're going to be printing the whole month of whatever is selected as for the year and the month. And then of course we defined the function so we can call the function. So we call the function and it's going to say enter the year, for example 2025. So let's say 2025 because that's the year we're in right now. Enter the month. We're in February right now, or I'm in February. I don't know when you're watching this. So 2, and it's gonna display the month. So today is Monday the 3rd, as you can see right here, or today is the 3rd of February, and as you can see that's Monday, and tomorrow's gonna be that and that, Tuesday the 4th. And we can just try this again. Let's say 2002. Enter the month 7 because that's my birthday month, and you can see this is what my birth month looks like, and you can see it's actually perfect, like from 1 to 31 on 1 month, and they're occupied, like it starts on Monday, which is great, but whatever. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please like and subscribe, and you can modify this and try different things with this code, and of course it'll be posted in the comments down below.